When your title match what people are actually searching for, you get more sales. When it first came out, the PMax Insights script by Mike Rhodes was the only tool that showed detailed channel data in PMax campaigns. While Google's new Channel Performance Report provides channel data now, the paid version of the PMax Insights script still goes much deeper, revealing some unique insights you simply can't get from Google's default tools. I use it across all my client accounts to identify high-impact opportunities and improve Performance Max results. The script comes in three flavors. A free script gives you basic channel data split in your PMax campaigns, but does not include the advanced features that I use in this video. The individual paid script costs $199. For multiple accounts, the MCC version simplifies management. Add the script once and create Insights spreadsheets for all client accounts. This ensures quicker updates when Mike creates new versions and also includes the single account script with purchase. It costs $299. Let's see how this script can help us improve product lines for this client that sells outdoor and garden furniture. First, let's go to Settings, change the number of days from default 30 to 180, then run the script. Next, go to the Comp section. Comp stands for Comparison Engrams. What the chart shows is, on the x-axis, how often a word appears in your product titles, based on impressions. On the vertical axis, how often the word appears in customer searches. What to look for? Ideally, many n-grams will fall along a diagonal line from bottom left to top right. But what you really want to watch are the outliers. Top left quadrant, words that appear often in searches but not in your titles. This could be missed opportunities, high demand, low presence. And bottom right area, words used frequently in your titles but not searched for, possible overuse or low value items. For example, the word wood appears frequently in searches but rarely in your titles, something to investigate. The table below the chart shows you the numbers that make up the chart. You can look at either the chart or the table numbers. Both will help you understand what's happening. The term solid appears in many titles but is barely searched. At first glance, you might think it doesn't add much value, but the products with this word in the title are profitable. In this case, I would probably change solid to wood or solid wood. The table also shows that customers don't search for site measurements like 1.6 meters or 1.8 meters, but they do search for seater quite often. Both terms describe the same thing, how big a bench is, either by its length or by how many people can sit on it. The key takeaway: use 3-seater in your product titles instead of length measurements like 1.8 meters for better search results. Overall, the PMax Insights script helps you improve your product titles. Look for high-demand keywords you're not using and spot low-performing terms you might be overusing. Small changes like swapping 1.8 meters for 3-seater or updating solid to solid wood can make a real impact on visibility and performance. Run the script often, try different title changes, and follow what the data shows you. When your title match what people are actually searching for, you get more sales. Got questions or topic ideas? Drop them in the comments below. If you need personalized Google Ads help, book your free strategy session through the link in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.